sense of fear within the community. In an outreach program for the Assam Rifles Retired Fraternity of Nepal, the Director General, Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandra Nair of Assam Rifle visited Nepal from 8 to 13 April 2024. The visit was characterized by a series of events aimed at acknowledging the contribution of the veterans and addressing the welfare of Assam Rifles veterans and their families of Nepal. The officials' visit of the Director General Assam Rifles to Nepal not only underscores the significance of the long-standing ties between the two nations, but also reaffirmed the commitment to the welfare and well-being of ex-servicemen who have dedicated their lives to serving in Assam Rifles.
केही दिन अगाडि मैले 23 मार्च 2024 को दिनमा पहिलो वेटरन्स डे मनाएर सुरुवात गरेको छौं र अब हर साल इसी दिन को मनाइन्छ। तपाईहरुलाई जानकारी होला कि गएको सालमा मैले 12 कम्प्युटर यस अफिसलाई उपहार दिएको छु। मलाई विश्वास छ हजुरहरुको यसको उपयोग गरेर आफ्नो बच्चाहरुलाई कम्प्युटरको ज्ञान दिइराख्नु भएको होला।
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature